my dough like this in the bowl, I'm going to organize it first of all. I'm going to fold it like this in the center, like making a huge dumpling. So 1, 2, rotation, 3, rotation, 4, and I can do a 5th one. And then I'm going to turn it over, so smooth side up, not the wrinkly bit. And with both hands on the same spot, I'm not going like this, my hands stuck on the side of the dough. I'm going to rotate it on the same spot. And by doing this, I can really tense my dough. I'm structuring it straight after kneading. And that will help also with the volume at the end. Baking is full of these little action, apparently innocuous, but all put together will give you a very nice loaf. Here we go, that's one of them. When it's ready, in the bowl, shower cap,